Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Ashok Rathore, and this is the 31st episode of Akoni Informapedia. Today we're decoding a crucial update from the Ministry of Environment, Green Belt Rationalization. What does this mean for our factories, our air, and our future? Let's find out. Imagine a factory surrounded by a green hug of trees and plants. That's a green belt, a vital buffer zone designed by nature itself. It traps dust, soaks up pollution, blocks noise, and cools the air. It's a living shield that protects nearby communities and ecosystems from industrial impact. For years, the rule was rigid. Every factory, big or small, clean or dirty, had to maintain a fixed green cover, 33% or even 40% in highly polluted areas. This one-size-fits-all approach was problematic. It was a financial burden for smaller, cleaner businesses, while some big polluters did the bare minimum. The rules didn't focus on the type of pollution or the right plants for the job. Enter the new guidelines, released on October 29, 2025. This rationalization makes the rules smarter and fairer. Think of it like traffic fines. Speed demons, the high polluters, face bigger penalties, meaning they must plant more trees. Careful drivers, the low polluters, get a lighter touch. The goal? Make it easier for clean businesses to grow, while being stricter with genuine polluters, ensuring better protection for our air and health. So, how much green is needed now? It's no longer a single number. It depends on two things: where your factory is located and how polluting it is. First, for factories inside big industrial parks or estates, the park itself must maintain at least 10% green cover. Then, individual factories add more based on their category. O-Red category, high pollution like chemicals, must add 15% more on their plot. O-Orange category, medium like textiles, must add 10% more. O-Green-White, low pollution. It's optional, a nice to have. Second, for standalone factories outside parks, the rules are tougher. They have to do it all themselves. Red category, especially if they are heavy air polluters, need 25% green cover. Orange category, need 15 to 20%. Green-White category. Again, it's largely optional, and in critically polluted areas, the old strict 40% rule still applies as a baseline. This isn't just about planting any tree anywhere. The new guidelines encourage smart, effective green belts. 1. Pick smart plants, a mix of tall trees, like neem for wind and dust, bushes and grass. At least half should be evergreen, native species that can handle local conditions. 2. Design in layers. Tall trees on the outside, shrubs inside, and grass below. This creates a dense, multi-layered filter. 3. Plant strategically. Place them near pollution sources like chimneys and along boundaries to shield neighbors. 4. Use smart tech. Drip irrigation to save water. Organic fertilizers to avoid more chemicals. 5. Team up. Factories can collaborate with local forest departments or communities for planting and upkeep. And there are teeth to these rules. Factories must report twice a year with photos and even drone footage. Regulators will conduct random checks. Fail, and they face fines or shutdowns. Succeed, and they get faster approvals. But why does this matter to you, even if you don't own a factory? Cleaner air. Effective green belts can filter 20 to 30% of factory fumes, meaning less asthma and better health for everyone. Cooler cities. These green spaces can lower local temperatures by 2 to 5 degrees C, fighting urban heat islands. Balance. It saves land for industrial growth and jobs, while actively protecting our farms, water, and the air our children breathe. So, Greenbelt rationalization isn't about reducing greenery. It's about making it smarter, more effective, and fairer. It's a win for thoughtful businesses, a win for the environment, and a win for public health. That's all for this episode. If you found this informative, do like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay green.